Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. I'm here at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are super important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then they'll know what to rank it for. So you'll see here your URL, and then I went down to see your heading tags. Right now, your H1 tag says call us today for a free consultation. So let me show you where this is in your website. So basically it's right here. This is your heading tag. It's really the first thing that Google sees on your page to determine what it's about. And as you can see, this is not what your site is about. This could be, how does Google know how to rank your site if this is what your heading tag is? Call us today for a free consultation. That could be for any company. Another thing that goes hand in hand with this is the metadata. So if you go over here to Google, I did a Google search here for Sonoma County electricians. Down here, these blue lines, those are all the metadata. So you can see that the top guy here is talking about Sonoma County electrician, and that's why they're at the top position. And then up here, these are the people that are all getting the calls, the people from the maps, and then the people on the first page. They're getting all the calls for electrician. And you're like on page, I think I found you on page 7. So that's why I'm here to help you. Basically, I'm showing you why you're not ranking. And then also, when you go back here and we look at your title tag, your title tag says NCI Electric, Electrical Service Design and Installation. So again, this, if you Googled this, NCI Electric, I bet you'd be really at the top of the page. But nobody's going to know to Google that, right? When they're looking for an electrician, they're going to Google electrician, they're going to Google Sonoma County electrical companies, Sonoma County electrician, a similar keyword. So they're not going to Google that. Those are just a couple of things I want to help you see right off the bat. There's just small changes that will really help you rank. And also, if you ever want to check your rank, don't use Google, because a lot of people, they'll Google their keyword. Like if you go here and start Googling Sonoma County electricians, or let's say if you're in Santa Rosa electrician, and they keep doing that, and then as the weeks go by, Google's going to start moving you up because they'll see already what you're looking for. So you always want to use a third-party tool. I use a website called Rank Tracker. You can get a free subscription for a month if you'd like, but anyway, I put in your URL here, and this will check your rank, and it actually checks it every day. So you'll see I put in your company name and your ranking 2 for it. So you're at the top of the page here, but then you're really not ranking for anything else. You're like I said, page 6, 7, 8, and then not really ranking for a lot of the keywords, the competitive keywords here. So if you go ahead and just change your H1 and metadata to whatever your keyword is, and make sure you put in like city or county plus your service, like Sonoma County electrician, this, so that's crystal clear to Google what your site's about. That'll really help your rank. And then I really do like your website. I think there's a couple of things that I could do to make it more appealing. But basically, the most important thing would be to get you on the first page of Google, because really that's where all the calls are going to. They're going to the first page of Google, because really 90% of traffic is on the first page. And a lot of people don't even search past the third thing on the page. But most people really, really don't go to page 2. So if you have any questions, just reply to this email, and let's get you on the first page of Google and get that phone ringing off the hook. Thank you so much for your time, and I wish you success.